Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can download Jmeter for a Mac machine or a Mac OS. Click on the download Apache Jmeter into their official website. Click on this binaries first link TJZ. Click on it. So it will download the Jmeter. Double click on the file, open it, click on the bin, right click, new terminal tablet folder. So type ls, now type shjmeter.sh, click on enter. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.